Hello. Attorney, bakit hindi na umabot sa punto na magbotohan ang mga senator judges dun sa ruling sa dalawang motion ng prosecution?
Isa lang sagot ko, Rule 6 of the Senate impeachment rules allowed the presiding officer a wide latitude of discretion to be the one to resolve any matter or motion based on evidence. And only, as I explained before, only if the presiding officer decides on his own to throw the question back to the court, to the impeachment court, that voting will happen. Now, another voting can happen if there was a senator judge who will appeal the resolution of the presiding officer, but that did not happen. So there was no voting for today.
Another, last on my part. Yung decision na binasa ni presiding officer Chis Escudero, was it done today or over the weekend? Kasi kung over the weekend, bakit nagkaroon pa ng pagtatanong yung mga senator judges dun sa defense and prosecution, gayong may written decision na siya, hindi ba waste of time yun?
As I said, during the July 6 first day of impeachment, because this request of the prosecution has been already stated in their pre-trial briefs, the presiding officer, as a matter of course, was already ready to rule on the subpoenas. However, upon manifestation of House Prosecution Panel, Congressman Chel Jokno, that they have filed a renewed request for subpoena, that the resolution of the presiding officer was deferred, and it was only after the request of the defense to be given a copy of such and the senator judges asking that oral arguments be done, that the presiding officer yielded to such oral arguments that have been scheduled last Monday. So basically the main chunk of the decision of the presiding officer has already been prepared even before July 6. So I think the presiding officer also during the caucus consulted his fellow senator judges about it and asked about their views regarding the matter, and that is the request of the other senator judges to study it for until the weekend and until today. So handa naman siya ever since.